Hey guys, I really felt like I needed to make this video because you can see about a year ago, I think, and yeah, about almost a year ago, 6 months ago, whatever, I'm bad at math, 7 months ago, I started making videos about the Noindex issue, and I have like over 10,000 views on the topic, and now also Autopilot Passive Income, is a YouTuber that I follow myself. You can see I've watched this entire video and another one. Basically, he's also been making videos about the Noindex Shadowban. And the last thing I want is for there to be some kind of panic or whatever it might be, because I want to just mention a couple of really important things that you need to know about the Noindex issue and the Shadowban issue, whatever you want to call it. But before I talk about that, I am a content creator, so one of the things that I do is I look for things that I think people will want to hear about, and I make videos about it, right? So that's why I made those videos about the Noindex thing, because for me, it's important to know whether your actual products are being indexed on Google or not. And if they're not being indexed on Google, you want to know why, etc., etc. Okay, so the Noindex issue, basically, if you don't know what the Noindex thing is, basically it's a piece of code that Redbubble put on your products at the beginning when you first make a product, but then for some reason on some people's stores, all of their products have this tag. Okay, so the first thing I want to say is you can still make sales through Redbubble. Okay, even if you don't do any of your own what's it called, pubblicità. I'm thinking in Italian, guys, my head is just all in Italian from today. Even if you don't do any advertising away from Redbubble, you can still make Redbubble sales. And the reason is, if I search funny stickers for a wedding, for example, I'm going to do Control F Redbubble. This is how you can still make a sale. Okay, so funny stickers for a wedding is a pretty good keyword, to be honest with you. I'm guessing that has a lot of searches. I'm actually going to show you how many searches that has every month, and I've talked about this a few times on my channel, and this is a little bit unrelated, but you can use Google AdWords Keyword Planner to see the exact amount of searches for a keyword every month. Well, not the exact. It gives you a very good indication, and it's accurate because it's from Google. Let's see if there. I assume this is a good niche, but like now that I'm here, I'm worried that it's not a good niche. Come on, you can load. We'll let that load. You can see funny cards for a wedding is another good one. Okay, so yeah, it's got up to 100 a month. Okay, so 100 a month, and of those, let's say maybe like 30% go to here. Okay, so this is 30 potential buyers for whatever you're going to see on the page now. How is that for a wedding? I don't understand. What the hell is this? What? Just, okay. Whatever, I don't really understand. None of these are good at all. Let me have a quick look at Zazzle. Are any of these good? Yeah, look, okay, so I want to talk about this in another video, so I'm going to have to quickly put this on my video list. So yeah, I see this a lot with Redbubble. They just have these completely terrible landing pages that just don't make any sense, and they don't have any products that people want to buy on, which affects bounce rate, which affects our chances of making a sale. So Redbubble should really sort this out, because funny wedding stickers has 61,000 results, but like none of these are funny wedding stickers, right? So no one's ever going to buy them, so they're just going to go immediately off, and everyone will just go to Zazzle, because Zazzle has actual products, right, that are funny for a wedding, like this, for example. Anyway, we weren't talking about that. So this is how you can still make sales. But again, if you're not on Zazzle, for example, and you're only on Redbubble, your chances of making a sale on Zazzle are actually much higher, okay? And this is something people don't understand. They just assume Zazzle's bad. I might actually make a Zazzle account. That's a really good idea. I might make a Zazzle account. It's only got 519 results though. How is that possible? I would love to know what's going on with Zazzle, because it's ranking #1 for this keyword. Is Zazzle? Surely not. Okay, so Redbubble's #1 for funny stickers, which is also super interesting. Is Zazzle on the front page? No. But what Zazzle does is it just picks up the pieces. It picks up the little niche keywords, and there's so much less competition. So yeah, it's super interesting to me. So I got banned from TeePublic, and I never see TeePublic on Google. I never see it. I think I might open a Zazzle, guys. So yeah, a couple of things. #1 is you can also make sales. You can make sales through organic SEO like this, okay? So funny wedding stickers, you have a funny wedding sticker, it appears on Google through the result page, okay? And I've got loads and loads of videos of how you can find these keywords. I'll leave my playlist at the end of this video if you want to get more accustomed to keyword methods and SEO for this, etc., etc. Another super interesting thing here is Zazzle has the amount of results written in the title, in the meta title, not even the title, the meta title. So that's very interesting. Let me just, no, it's fine. So the other way that we can make sales, and I've talked about this in loads of videos recently, is, let me do Control F, Pinterest. Yes. Okay. To be fair, I've done this before, so it's not really a live test, but I knew Pinterest would be here. So yeah, this is the other way that we can make sales if we have no index on our Redbubble stores. You can also just, for example, post to Zazzle, honestly. That's another piece of advice I'm going to give you, because there's no reason why we can't just suddenly sell on Zazzle, right? Because Redbubble is no indexing our products. I don't know, if the profit margins are the same on Zazzle, I would honestly consider posting on Zazzle as well. Maybe Zazzle and Redbubble. So yeah, this is the other way we can do it. This is, I believe this is a board. Yeah, so this is a board. This board is a perfect example of what I've been talking about in my last 2 or 3 videos. So if you go to my channel and you look for Pinterest related videos, and also the kind of clickbaity SEO video, then I talk about doing exactly this. And I should really talk about the people, my colleagues, about this as well, because we could rank for a lot of really good stuff. I might just do it myself, actually. I'm probably just going to do that. Yeah, note to self, make Pinterest for iSuit. Okay, so yeah, this is another way that we can make sales, and then obviously just the other classic ways are Instagram. But I think a lot of people don't understand Pinterest, so I keep wanting to talk about this, and I have talked about this, but the video I've talked about this in, it only has 1,200 views, so only 1,200 people know about this, which I guess is good for those 1,200 people, but like, I don't know, I feel like this should be better known about. So this says Zazzle here, so I wonder if these are all from the same designer, and if so, what a genius. By Rustic Wed, they're all, it's going to be in it. It's going to be, yeah, I just know it. I already know that it's going to be the same designer. This person is a genius. I bow down to you. I bow down to you. You have probably made millions from Zazzle. Wow. Yeah, they've probably just made so many sales. It's just insane. Such a good niche as well. I just want to see if the reviews on Zazzle are the same. So if I go on this one, one, two, three, four. Holy crap. Holy crap, I have just discovered the absolute motherload. This is how you make $1 million from print on demand, right here. And I already talked about this. Guys. These Pinterest boards are so freaking powerful. I'm gonna have to make a separate video about how many keywords this Pinterest board ranks for. How many keywords does this Pinterest? Okay, so I wonder as well if Zazzle has higher. Oh, it's got personalization. That's the key here. That's the key. Zazzle has personalization. I'm gonna start selling on Zazzle. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Oh, this is genius, guys, honestly. Yeah, I've already said this, but like this has got 19,000. 19,000. The other one had 42,000. Can we sort this by... Oh, it's already by popular. So that means this one here has the most sales. Oh, it doesn't. That's weird. I can't get enough of this, guys, honestly. 3,963. Let's just go down. God knows how many pages of stuff they've got. Let's go with this. Oh, okay. So that's a suspiciously similar number to the other ones. So I have a feeling that they're actually not based on how many sales this person's made. I don't know, maybe someone can tell me if they sell on Zazzle. It might just be all greeting cards, I guess, like Redbubble does. Yeah, it's got the same number, damn. Still, I reckon this person has made millions of sales. They've also got 5.36 thousand followers on Pinterest. Yeah, super interesting, guys. This is the key, this is the key, this is the way. This is a really good setup. They've just got all their products. They've picked a niche. They've put all their products in that niche on a Pinterest board, and they've just called the Pinterest board this niche. So like if you take my, if you guys remember my Italian expressions Redbubble. If you guys remember my Italian expressions Redbubble, let's see if I can just randomly find my, yeah, there it is. Nice. So I could do the same thing, right? I could do like, a board. All I'd have to do is create a board. There's not even any SEO here. They haven't written anything. There's nothing here. That's nuts. That's actually nuts. So yeah, wow. They probably actually have boards for wedding cards as well, right? Or something. No. Okay, alright, I think I'm gonna end the video there, guys. I keep talking about this, and if you're not doing this and you're complaining about not making sales, then maybe this is why. Because you need to really be promoting outside of Redbubble, because Redbubble's not doing a very good job of promoting your designs. When I made this design, oh no, there we go, okay. Yeah, look, these are all mine. I'm actually surprised this store hasn't made more sales. I would have expected it to make more sales, but I guess I wasn't really promoting on Instagram anymore. This is mine as well. This sold 4 masks, I swear, it was well good. But yeah, I stopped promoting, so I guess it stopped making sales. But if I'd made a Pinterest board, that's how you create an evergreen niche organic SEO like gold mine for a long time, is one of these boards. I'm going to leave this board in the description. You can study it yourselves. It's not mine. I'm sorry if it's one of yours, but it's a really valuable learning resource, and this is a super good niche. Zazzle has personalization, guys. I think I'm going to set up a store. It's going to be something new niche. I don't know what I'm going to go for. I'm going to just keep it secret, keep it safe, and yeah, I'm going to make that happen. The reason I didn't continue with the TeePublic one on my other store is, yeah, TeePublic banned me, so, which I really don't understand why, but the Zazzle personalization, I really like that. So we'll see, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you really soon with some more content. Peace out.